legally pay zero taxes 2024 or forever. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best financial tips and tricks to maximize your wealth. Today, we are diving into a topic that might seem too good to be true: how to legally pay zero taxes forever. Stay tuned as we reveal strategies that can help you achieve this financial milestone. Steps to follow 1 to 10. Number 1. Person placing money into a piggy bank labeled 401k and IRA. One of the most effective ways to reduce your taxable income is by maximizing contributions to tax-deferred accounts such as traditional IRAs and 401k plans. When you contribute to these accounts, you lower your taxable income for that year. Plus, the investments within these accounts grow tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on them until you withdraw the funds. This strategy not only reduces your immediate tax burden but also allows your investments to compound without the drag of taxes. Just remember, when you do withdraw the funds, typically during retirement, you will pay taxes at your ordinary income rate. Number 2. Invest in municipal bonds. Municipal bonds, often referred to as munis, are another excellent way to earn tax-free income. The interest earned from these bonds is generally exempt from federal taxes and, in many cases, state taxes as well. By investing in municipal bonds, you can enjoy a steady stream of income without increasing your tax liability. This makes them a valuable addition to any tax-efficient investment portfolio. Number 3. Take advantage of tax credits. Tax credits are powerful tools that directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Unlike deductions, which lower your taxable income, credits reduce your tax bill dollar for dollar. Some of the most beneficial credits include the Earned Income Tax Credit, Child Tax Credit, and various education credits. Make sure to explore all the credits available to you to significantly lower your tax liability. Number 4. Real estate investments. Real estate investments offer significant tax benefits that can help reduce your taxable income. Deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation can all work in your favor. Additionally, the 1031 exchange rule allows you to defer capital gains taxes when you reinvest the proceeds from a property sale into a similar property. This can help you build wealth over time without the immediate tax hit. Number 5. Start a business. Starting a business opens up numerous tax-saving opportunities. You can deduct business expenses such as home office deductions, travel, and meals, which can significantly reduce your taxable income. Furthermore, businesses can benefit from various tax credits and deductions that individuals can't access. This makes entrepreneurship a powerful strategy for achieving zero tax liability. Number 6. Move to a tax-friendly state. Relocating to a state with no income tax can also help you reduce your overall tax burden. States like Florida, Texas, and Nevada do not impose a state income tax, allowing you to keep more of your income. This move can be particularly beneficial if you have a high income, as it can save you a significant amount in state taxes each year. Number 7. Charitable donations. Charitable donations not only support good causes but also provide tax benefits. Donations to qualified charities can reduce your taxable income, offering you a win-win situation. Be sure to keep detailed records of your donations to ensure you can claim these deductions come tax time. Number 8. Health savings accounts. Health savings accounts, HSAs, are another powerful tool for reducing your tax liability. Contributions to an HSA are tax deductible, and withdrawals used for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. The earnings in an HSA are also not taxed, making it a triple tax advantaged account. This can help you save significantly on taxes while also planning for future healthcare costs. Number 9. Tax loss harvesting. Tax loss harvesting involves selling investments at a loss to offset gains in other investments. This strategy can help reduce your taxable capital gains and lower your overall tax bill. It's an effective way to manage your portfolio while also taking advantage of tax savings. At last, number 10, education savings plans. Contributing to a 529 education savings plan offers tax benefits that can help you save for future education costs. Earnings in a 529 plan grow tax-free, and withdrawals used for qualified education expenses are also tax-free. This makes it an excellent way to invest in your child's future while enjoying tax advantages today. Now time to wrap up. While paying zero taxes might seem like a lofty goal, with careful planning and the right strategies, it is possible. Utilizing tax-deferred accounts, investing in municipal bonds, taking advantage of tax credits, and making smart real estate investments are just a few ways to reduce your tax liability. Always consult with a tax professional to tailor these strategies to your personal financial situation and ensure compliance with all tax laws. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on financial planning and tax strategies. Follow us on social media for daily tips and updates. See you next time.